Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the PRISM Plus Q65 Ultra Edition. This guy has Google TV, it's got Android, it's got Google Play, it's got HDR10 Plus, it's got QLED technologies. In case you don't know, PRISM Plus provide high quality TVs at a discount rate because they're direct to consumer. You just order it straight off the website.
Amazing, Ash. You know what? I'm so excited to get into this. Can we just please unbox the box?
We're going to unbox it, but one more thing I want to say is I actually got this TV. This is going to be for my room. I'm going to be using this. It's got something called filmmaker mode, which means I can potentially see my edited videos, hear the edited sound, see if it sounds good. So we're going to be wall mounting this in my room. Make sure you hit subscribe to check out that video coming soon. But for now, we're going to unbox this and give you our initial first impressions on this bad boy. You ready?
I am so ready. Thank you.
Got unboxing queen with us today.
Absolutely. Of course,
enjoying
guys.
The show.
Definitely. I was going to say one thing before I get going. Good wrapping is all I can say, and that goes a long way. Are you ready for this? Just got to say, good quality packaging right here. This is not going anywhere. Look how solid those big staples are. Oh my goodness. Inside the box, you will find another box.
So it's a box in a box.
In a box. Okay, here we have it. Look at this cute stand. OMG, how cute is that? But you're not going to be using that because you're actually going to be wall mounting it, but we'll show you what it looks like on the stand anyway. And then we have the manual, the controller. Oh, that's a cool controller. I'm sorry, I just had to take that out. I actually really like that. Look at that. It's white and black.
This comes out from the bottom. Maybe your side comes up as well.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh, job done.
This is so easy. I like this. I like this so much.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
There she is.
And it's all protected. But we're gonna have to install the stand now, isn't it? All right, so the stands do actually have letters on them. This one says A, and the other one says B. And on the back of the TV, you got A, and you got B. And there's only one right way to put them in. So the A is right here. Put it here, it fits perfectly. If I try putting it in the other way, the wrong way, doesn't fit. The energy rating, it's got 4 stars out of 5. How much kilowatts per year? That's awesome. It's low.
So good. Now there is also this green stuff. That is just protection. I kind of don't want to take it off because I don't know if my fingers are clean. This is so clean. The screen is so clean.
Take it off. All right, so it's telling me to use the Google Assist button. I think it's pairing. Hello. Succeeded, hey. English Australia. So you got Google TV, you get movies, personalized recommendations, and you also get a basic TV setup, which is live TV and external devices. So you get 2 options. You can get connected services or normal. All right, it's all set up now. There's only one thing left to do, and that is go on YouTube, watch one of our videos and see how it looks and sounds. QLED, HDR10 Plus, all that kind of good stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're ready. Yeah. Look at the angle. Still a nice vivid picture from all of the angles you're looking at.
We need to understand a little bit of the anatomy of the lip.
That is nice.
As we can see here, we've got a border of our lip. Now that border is...
All right, so one thing I'm currently appreciating right now is that the bezel is so thin. It's kind of less than a fingernail's width of thinness. And another thing that I do like is that the angle of view, you can actually see it from a really wide angle. It looks pretty clear. You need to really be around from this angle where it starts to get faded and dark, but pretty much you got a wide field of view so you can watch. Settings wise, the brightness, you can tone it down, and also you get a brightness. Okay, so you get 2 forms of brightnesses. You get to brighten the actual video and you get to brighten the screen. That's pretty interesting. So if you get a dark movie, you don't want to be so scared, brighten up the screen. Contrast, saturation, hue, color temperature, so many different settings. This is the mode I want to check out. It's called filmmaker mode. The idea is they want movies to be seen as the director intended. So with filmmaker mode, it actually turns off all of the post-processing and lets the movie be seen as it should be. So I'm going to go inside the settings here. Go into picture. And we're going to turn on filmmaker mode. Wow. So I've turned on filmmaker mode and you actually look a lot more yellow than you were a second ago. So I'm going to say auto. Yeah, so with auto, because I've got an SDR video, auto is disabled filmmaker mode, but I guess if it detects a movie that's been HDR'd, it's going to turn on filmmaker mode, or it's going to figure out when it needs to use it or not. But for now, I think it looks better with filmmaker mode off, because this is my video edit. But let's check out an actual movie and see if it looks good on that. Turn it on. As you can see, look, the image has changed. It's giving it a bit of that richer tone. All right, now it's time to set up this TV as a Google TV. Boom, just like that, set up Google TV. There you go, that's Google TV, that's the new interface. So it's no longer Android TV now it's Google TV. There you go, for you, films, TV shows, apps, library. So you can go ahead and download apps. Oh, it finds your apps from your other devices, that's pretty good. And look, you got Kodi, you got Fox News, you got pretty much a lot of TV channels over there. You got Spotify, you can listen to Joe Rogan, you can go and binge, TV browser, YouTube Kids, Google Meet, that'd be pretty cool. Arabic, Kodi again, TikTok for Android TV. That's what you need to download straight away.
Hey guys.
Just looks like a nice, sleek experience. Just looks like your sort of Apple TV kind of situations and lots of shows to watch. So you can also edit the audio. As you can see, by default, it's got Dolby Atmos and sound mode. You can go music, sport, or movie. You've got something called Dialogue Enhancer. Sounds pretty fun. All right, guys, that was a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Q65 Ultra PRISM Plus TV. Gotta say, the sound goes really loud. The picture quality is gorgeous, and I love the angle. So, you know, you can do some damage with this TV. Make sure you hit subscribe, because next up we're gonna be wall mounting this TV. It's gonna be in my office. I'm gonna actually be using filmmaker mode to edit some videos. It's gonna be a hella journey. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed
The show. I've got fools. Why do I have two mums?